What's up there, YouTube? We're back. C10 episode 4. Last video was short. Forgot to do a whole lot of recording, and plus some of it was kind of boring. But on that note, we're gonna jump right straight into it, and yeah, we had to do some rework, cut off some stuff, and now we're gonna weld in some new stuff. But yeah, let's get into it. Alright, I think that's going to do it for episode, was it 4? I want to thank everybody that had, that viewed, watched, all those people who subscribed after episode 3. Y'all are awesome. We jumped, what was it, almost 50 subscribers just off of episode 3. So that's awesome. And y'all guys almost hit us at 2,000 views, which is great. I can't thank y'all enough on that one. But let's keep pushing. Let's make it 1,000. At 1,000, we're going to do a giveaway. Keep making comments. Let us know what you're thinking, what you would like to see for the giveaway, and we'll see what we can pull off. But on that note, we got that truck. C10 still going. I had to order some stuff. Chassis Fab did not send us the new updated shafts, cross shafts, and we're pretty much at the point of putting this truck back together. So I went ahead and ordered some tubing to make bushing sleeves to use the existing cross shafts. And the whole ordeal with all that to begin with was 2 of the bushing sleeves were missing. So easiest thing to do at this point, just order some new tubing. We'll cut it, get it cleaned up, and we'll use them. On that note, there is something new sitting right there. We have the next project, or the next build slash rework. Standard cab, short bed Mazda. At the moment, we are having to completely redo the front suspension. Supposedly the last guy hacked it up pretty good. I haven't gone underneath it to take a look yet. But he's got a YouTube video on that somewhere. I didn't watch all of it. And then we need to move the rear upper bag plates. But while we're in there, we're going to take a look at it all, see if anything else needs to be fixed, and depending on where we're at when we're in there looking, the customer said something about possibly doing a 3/4 frame and possibly body dropping in the process. So we'll see how that goes, how that turns out, and yeah, that's next. And he wants to have that back by Minitrucks, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, like I said, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Did great last time on episode 3. Let's keep killing it. And yeah, have a great Thanksgiving. We are going to be visiting family out of state, and so when we get back, we'll ramp up and get right back to work. So with that being said, this is a short video, or shorter than normal, and next week's will probably be a little on the short side as well because of Thanksgiving. So it's Monday night. We're gonna finish editing this video, and we're gonna get it out to you guys tomorrow evening. Keep doing work.